Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got a Hot Wheels 10 pack here. So yeah, I'm just excited to open this. So I'm showing my face now, so this is a good thing. Here's all the cars. We got 10 cars. We got some pretty nice cars in here. It also comes with an exclusive car right here. If you see, pretty cool, nice. It just says Hot Wheels 10 pack, not really special. Same thing on the other side in it. On the back, it says all the brands and stuff. So anyways, before we do anything, let's just open it already. Because I just want to pop this open. Alright guys, here are all the Hot Wheels cars. So let's pick one. First car we're going to do is the Ford Focus RS. So alright, let's take a look at this car. Wow, look at that. Pretty nice. Say put it down. It's pretty smooth. So alright, let's put it on. Let's see. So guys, if we take a look at this car, it's got a pretty nice, interesting body shape. It's kind of like an egg. It's got a nice baby blue color, nice stripe that goes down the car. Nice, you know, Ford logo on the front of it. And we also got some nice white tires on it that complement the car. It says RS on the side of it. Pretty cool hatchback. I really like it. Nice bluish color. No headlights though. The headlights are covered. Anyways, pretty cool car. Pretty nice. I like it. It's pretty good. Put it down. So alright, next car we're gonna take a look at is okay, next car we got is the Carbonator. Pretty cool futuristic car. Wow, look at that. So let's do this. It's so smooth. Like, look at that. It's super smooth. Smells pretty fresh too. If we take a look at this car, it looks so futuristic. It's like you can see the seats are kind of cool. Like, see this little like top part here? Just makes it look kind of futuristic. We see design, it's kind of like a spaceship, some sort. Kind of looks like some alien space car or something. It's got some nice white rims on it. You know, got the nice star. It's got a nice dark blue color on it. Nice red bottom. Nice. It also got some nice, like, you know, design on it. These are like kind of the red lines, black stripe going down the car. And I think that's pretty cool. I like this car. Pretty nice. Next car. Okay, guys, we're not going to take a look at that one yet, but we are going to take a look at, what is this? 1970 Chevrolet S. So, wow, this car is pretty cool. If you take a look at it, the body of this car is just like, has a nice big body kit for the car. It's got a little tiny spoiler. It has this kind of ruby, kind of red velvet kind of color. It's got a nice white stripe that goes down the middle of the car. It's a pretty long car too, with a very shiny red and also some nice white rings going around the tires. It says number 70 on the side with a nice chrome front, you know, pretty cool. This car is, I do not have this car in my collection yet, but I think it's a pretty cool car. Yeah. So let's go to the next car. Next car we're going to, oh, I already know what this car is. We got the Fast Fish. So Fast Fish right here, pretty nice. It looks pretty cool, I like it. So this Fast Fish is supposed to be really good on the track. So it's got a nice yellow color with some nice stripes that kind of go like a different way, like goes forward and after it turns this way. It's got orange, white, yellow, and other colors too. The rims are orange and it's got these like nice rims, which I really like. It's got the black paint on the rims. I don't know really what to call these rims, but they're pretty cool. This car keeps on moving. If you take a look here, the glass has the front engine inside the car. It also says Fast Fish on the car too. Pretty cool. It's got 4 mufflers on the back and this little thing on top of it. Pretty cool, guys. It also moves, it's smooth, I guess, but it's pretty smooth. I like it. Next car we're going to take a look at is this one. So this is called the Cyber Speeder. Cyber Speeder, look at that. That blue color though is pretty nice. Ooh. So, okay, this has a nice kind of darkish, lightish blue. It looks super futuristic. It is really good on the track because if you take a look at the bottom of the car, you can see that little icon, if you can. The little icon, see the little track icon? So, yeah. This car kind of reminds me of, I don't really know, like, it looks like something from, like, Cyberpunk or something. It's got all the, like, little electricity things and stuff. It's got two little engines on the back, which I think this is electric. It's got a lot of stuff going on the back, which is pretty beautiful. I like that. That is pretty cool. It's got a nice aerial track that's going down the top of the car. Green bottom. And also it goes with some nice blue tires. And look at that blue chrome. No, I mean look at that chrome on the car. Wow, look at that. It's pretty cool. So as we see is this car, probably the doors open up. So it's a pretty cool car. It's pretty smooth too. Put it right here. Next car we are going to take a look at is the Porsche 911. Wow, that's pretty cool Porsche. Look at that. Nice. So let's take a closer look at it, guys. So take a look at this car. It's got a great color and a nice black stripe going down the car. It also has like some plastic headlights, Porsche logo on the front of it. Looks pretty sleek. It looks small, but I don't know. It looks nice. Take a look at the back. It's got some headlight details and also some chrome on the wheels. It's a pretty cool car, I guess. I don't really like the paint that much, but it's a pretty cool paint job on the car. Pretty sick. Let's take it off. Take a look at it. Ooh, this thing rolls really smoothly. It's a pretty good car. Next car we're gonna take a look at is this. I don't know what it is. Alright guys, this car has no name. So I don't know what it is, so I think this might be some like Chevrolet, maybe some Pontiac or something. All I know, it's got this nice sprinkly ruby red with kind of a design of like an Impala maybe. It's got some nice black details on the front of the hood. Nice black stripe that just goes racing around the car on this side too. Nice chrome rims too. The front of the car does kind of remind me of a Pontiac, but I'm not too sure. The car also has some back detail too, like here. It's got the lines on the back. Nothing too special, but it's a 4-seater car. I don't know what it is, so it's pretty cool though. Let's see how it is though. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, a little bit wobbly, but... Next car we got is the Nissan 37Z. This car is pretty small. I think I've reviewed this car before. It's just a little black. It just it has like a nice, like, you know, bright black, pretty cool, like very shiny. It also has these nice chrome rims on them too. Some nice detailing on the side of the car. No front headlights. No logo. But on the back of the car, it does have the Nissan logo, but no headlights. Still, the car just looks so plain. Like, it does have the, you know, the side skirt, like, stuff on the side. It's got some detail on the side of the car. Pretty small car, too. But anyway, it's pretty cool. Let's try it out. Oh, this thing's pretty smooth. Oop. Alright, guys. So, let's take a look at the next car we got. Is... Lamborghini Hurricane LP. Yes, guys, we got a Lamborghini in this pack. Wow, look at that. It's a beauty. So if we take a look at this car out of the box, it just looks slick. It's got a nice, beautiful purple with a nice black stripe that goes down the car. It also has a little Lamborghini head, like, you know, logo on the front of it. It also has some headlight details on it too, which is pretty nice, you know. It's got the back windshield where you can see the engine. The front has no engine, of course. And the back of the car, there is nothing really, but it does say Hurricane. If you can see, it says the word Hurricane on there in the back. And I think it has headlights. No, it does not. They also added a muffler. They also added a muffler, too. Like, see that? They added paint on the muffler. That's interesting. Never seen that. Pretty cool car, guys. Yeah. Okay, that's it. So the last car in the set is, let's see, the Porsche 356. This car is the exclusive car. Wow. Okay, guys, if you take a look, this car is an exclusive, only 10-pack exclusive car. So you can only get it in the 10-pack. So that's pretty cool. So here is the Porsche exclusive. It's a pretty cool car. It's pretty small. It's got this beige color with 310 on it. It has a red stripe that goes down the car. I think this is like the little oil hole where you put the oil in, or like gas maybe, but it's pretty cool. It also got some nice kind of chrome red rings going around the car. It's got some advertisements on the side of the car. This car kind of reminds me of a Mini Cooper, or it looks like some sort of, I don't know really, but still a pretty small car. I like it though. You know, you got this cool, like, the back of the car is pretty detailed too. Nothing on the back, but I do like this, you know, the windshield. No, that's like the trunk. I mean, it's a pretty cool car. It's got designing all around the car. It's got some brands on the side of it. Anyways, guys, let's just put this. So, one sec. So, okay, first we got the Lambo, we got the Porsche, and then we got the other Porsche. Alright, we got the Chevelle, I think. Got this car, and let's put the Ford Focus here. Nissan Z, and this car. The Roadster too. And let's put this one in the middle. Alright, here are all the cars. Man, boom. So guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe. So check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. So I just play Roblox on the channel and just kind of have fun. So if you guys are interested to check out the other channel, go in the description. It's your choice. You don't have to check it. You can check it for fun. Maybe subscribe, watch some videos. So I hope you have a good day. Yeah, bye.